primordial sound of Ut. When God said, "Let there be light," and the sounds of those words, "Let there be light," began to create everything, the first sound was Ut. Sound has been deliberately taken out of our tuning systems of today in order to divide and separate everything and everybody from everything and everybody else. So just allow this sound now to begin to penetrate into your being. Just allow this sound to begin to connect you back to everything and to everybody. First of all, feel your connection to God. You are a light being that came forth out of that original sound. A ray of light that took form and is called by your name. And when you say your name, you say, "I am," and then you say your name. Like, I am Marcy Ann. Always speaks first, and that shows that you are connected now to all there is, to everything and everybody. And now come in to this sacred space that has been prepared for you. There's no judgment here. There's no condemnation here. This space is clear and neutral. And it is available to do the great and wondrous works of God. So just let all the cares and the actions of the day and the week now be released. And let your conscious awareness now come and be present in this sacred space. Be here now. And now we're going to go down into our heart.
You've got mail.
Just close your eyes and see those crystal steps that'll take you down into your heart. And before you, you see a crystal door with a crystal doorknob. And just turn that crystal doorknob now and open the crystal door and go into your heart. Your heart is as big as the universe. And inside there are many, many, many worlds and many, many pathways to all of these worlds. And tonight you see a lighted path. And this path leads to a crystal sanctuary within you, where tonight you will have the great and wondrous works of God revealed. Written on the walls of this crystal sanctuary are these great and wondrous works of God. And along along the pathway, this lighted pathway, are all of the elementals who are assigned to you in your current life here on planet Earth. They listen to everything you think and everything that you feel and everything that you say, and they are eager to create for you. Now follow that path into your crystal sanctuary and prepare to be the vessel of the holy and sacred breath of God. I am the fire breath of God from the heart of beloved Alpha and Omega, right here and right now. I am full of joy, for now and right now I am the full expression of divine love. Let the power of purity and wholeness and love manifest now, today, and forever. I accept this done right now with full power. I am this done right now with full power. I am God life, expressing perfection in all the ways and at all times. Now, if there's any area in your life that is not in perfection, just speak that out right now. Speak out an intention for what you would like to have happen in your life. It is all right for you to voice out loud all of your fondest hopes, your deepest desires, and your most impossible dreams. You may also speak out any grievances and ask any questions. And know that there is nothing that is impossible. Now is the moment of power for you. Release all of your fears and let the angel divas take them away. They will dissolve these fears and make that energy available to you to create what you want. Do not be afraid. You are safe and you are loved, and it is the Father's good pleasure to have you live in the kingdom of heaven right here, right now. And now just begin to speak whatever you wish to speak into this holy and sacred space that's been prepared for you. And let your heart be opened so your heart can speak to you, because all of the wisdoms from before the beginning and after the ending are written on the walls of your heart. And after you've spoken out everything that you want to say, then just be still and listen to that God spark that beats your heart, and you will hear what you need to hear for today. So just now begin speaking. Everything that you want to say. Say every single thing that you want to say. I just call to all other spirit guides, angels, and archangels, Jesus, Michael, Lord Maitreya and Lady Nada, we welcome you and we receive your wisdoms and your guidances. And we welcome all of our cosmic brothers and sisters, and we receive your wisdoms and your guidances. We now allow our body, our mind, our thoughts, and our emotions to be guided by the I Am Presence. I am presence, thou art master. I am presence. Clear the way and let your light and all your power take possession here this hour. Charge with victory's mastery and blaze, blue lightning, blaze thy substance into this my form. Expand all that perfection and its glory. I shall blaze forth and earth transcend. Speak out all your hopes and dreams and desires and grievances and ask your questions. Don't let anything not be said that you need to say. Just speak forth. Keep speaking forth until you feel like you have emptied yourself out. And then be still and hear the voice of that God spark that beats your heart, that knows all, to give you a message. I'm going to sound the tuning forks now, again, beginning with the oot, and you can see red, color red, is the sound of Lam, L-A-M, Lam. Any grief, transmute that energy into joy. Transmute all grief into joy. vibrations. It facilitates change. Next is me. This is the solar plexus. See the color gold. The sound is Ram, R-A-M, Ram. Miracle fork. This can repair and reconstruct all DNA, RNA sequences. Activates the codes within your body that create your body according to a divine blueprint where there is no error or hereditary predispositions. Fa. Color is green. The sound is Yam. This is for your heart chakra. Spin the energies in your heart. Problem solve. It's where you get the answers. It's written on the walls of your heart are all the answers to your questions. Fa. Color is blue. For your throat chakra. Spin the energies of your throat chakra. And if there was still something that you needed to say, something you still need to speak forth, this is the energy of understanding. You will speak forth your answer. Just allow the energy of your throat now to be released. And just say anything that you need to say that you still haven't said. Purple for your third eye chakra. This awakens your intuition. This activates your pineal gland with all of its abilities to be clairvoyant, clairsentient, clairaudient. Operate with all of the same abilities that Jesus had. puts you in complete now and total oneness with everything and everybody. And now all your energy centers have been spinning and activated, and now you have all of the power in each one of your chakras that is now unified and working together for your highest and best good. And now, as together we all listen to the Benedictines of Mary in southern Missouri and this blessed music they have made for this season of Lent. The name of this CD is Lent at Ephesus and is available at Amazon.com. And now let us just rest. Rest the absolute and wondrous love this unconditional and all-encompassing love. Be glad.